So, if you think your Alexa is talking too much, what you can do is turn on something called brief mode. Now, there's two ways to turn this on. One, you can ask your Alexa to turn on brief mode. So, what I would do is, hey Ziggy, what is brief mode?
With brief mode, Alexa speaks less and may play a short sound instead of giving a voice response.
Hey Alexa, hey Ziggy, turn on brief mode.
Okay, instead of me talking, sometimes you'll hear only this.
And there you go. We've turned on brief mode. Now, if you wanted to turn on brief mode inside of the Alexa app, you would just go into the settings here at the bottom and then settings again. And you're going to scroll down to Alexa preferences and choose voice response. And here you have brief mode. So toggle this on and off. And if you want to enable whisper mode, which is another cool one, you can turn that on here as well. So if I whisper to it, hey Ziggy, what time is it?
It's 7:28 p.m.
There we go. And you can see that is now whispering back to me. So kind of cool. Hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.